Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to do the text fill with the image in the PowerPoint or using the image. We can do it using the video, we can do it using the shape. Just I've made few samples. This is one among them. This is the second among them, third one, fourth one. A few examples I can demonstrate to you. So let us see how we can make this. So the first thing, let's go to home. Let's insert a blank slide. Okay. And the next thing I'm going to do is that insert, or I can go to design, format background, picture, file, and select my folder, images. And you can see I've inserted a random image. The next thing is to insert a shape, okay, which covers the slide. Just make the outline now, outline. So again, just I'm trying to make it a better color, so I'm trying to use, can use gradient black. Okay, so next is you have to insert the text box. What we can give is that text fill with image in PowerPoint. So I'm just giving an example text and just taking the font as Monzo red black, which is this one, just making it more big, going to middle aligned, format, align center and align middle, and I'm going to select the background and select the text, go to merge shapes and click combine. So there you go. So you have a background image wherein with the text fill, so you can see the backdrop image see through. Okay, and now you can play with the color, whatever color you want to fill. You want to fill with the gradient color, you can do that, something like this, or you want another, bluish color, you can do with the like that, which you can play on with. So just one example what I have made. The second one again, so I'm just going to insert a blank page. I'm going to design, going to picture file, and then going to use this as a background. Now I'm going to insert a shape which covers the full slide, no outline, and again some effect which can, this is a slightish silverish effect. Okay, now again you have to insert the text. So text fill with image in PowerPoint. So just use the Montserrat font. This is a font which I like. Maybe you can use another font. So just make it bigger, center aligned. So after once you have done that, you have to just click on the background image, and you have to click the text and use the combine effect. For that you have to go to format, merge shapes, and click combine. So again the second slide is made. Okay, so coming to the third one, which is again a similar one. So all you have to do is you have to play with the image. You can use whatever background you want or whatever image you like, and you can fill the text, using the image. It's very easy. Please try it out, and if you require any help, please let me know. All but always this kind of text and the entire slide looks better when you have a better gradient effect image and a very good text. If you do this in a very basic text like Calibri and all, it will not look that great. So always try to use the most modern fonts and use gradient colors and images like that. Thank you very much. Hope you have liked it.